Buckle up, America. Car insurance ain't cheap. Whether you're cruising down the highway or just running errands around town, having car insurance is a must. But let's face it, the cost can be a real pain in the wallet. Hey there, fellow Americans, let's talk about something we all love to hate: car insurance. It's one of those things that we can't live without, but we sure wish we could. From the moment you get your driver's license, car insurance becomes a part of your life. And if you're like most people, you've probably wondered why it costs so much. It's one of those necessary evils, like going to the dentist or dealing with your cable company. You dread the bill, but you know it's something you have to deal with. And just like those other necessary evils, car insurance can be confusing and frustrating. You know you need it, but man, it can be painful to pay for. Every month, that premium comes due, and it feels like you're throwing money into a black hole. But what if I told you that understanding how car insurance works could actually save you money? But here's the thing. Understanding how car insurance costs are determined can actually save you a bunch of money. There are so many factors that go into calculating your premium, and some of them might surprise you. From your driving record to your credit score, everything plays a part. And that's where we come in. We're here to help you navigate this complex world. We'll break down the factors that affect your premium and give you tips on how to lower your costs. Whether it's shopping around for the best rates or taking advantage of discounts, we've got you covered. We're here to break it all down for you so you can navigate the confusing world of car insurance like a pro. Think of us as your personal guide, helping you make sense of all the jargon and fine print. We'll show you how to compare policies, understand coverage options, and find the best deals. Think of us as your trusty GPS, guiding you through the labyrinth of insurance jargon and helping you find the best possible deals. Just like a GPS helps you find the quickest route to your destination, we'll help you find the most affordable and comprehensive car insurance policy. We're going to expose the factors that jack up those premiums and arm you with the knowledge to fight back. From understanding the impact of your driving habits to knowing which discounts to ask for, we'll give you the tools you need to take control of your car insurance costs. Get ready, because things are about to get informative. We're going to dive deep into the world of car insurance and uncover the secrets that can help you save money. So buckle up and stay tuned, because by the end of this, you'll be a car insurance expert. The InsureSavvy Breakdown. What's in store for your wallet? Today, we're diving deep into the world of car insurance, a topic that affects every driver on the road. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new one, understanding the intricacies of car insurance can save you a lot of money and stress. Welcome to InsureSavvy, your one-stop shop for all things car insurance. Here we break down complex insurance jargon into simple, digestible information. Our goal is to make sure you're well-informed and confident when making decisions about your car insurance. In this wild ride of an essay, we're going to dissect the cost of car insurance in the year 2025. What will the future hold for your premiums? How will new technologies and regulations impact your wallet? These are the questions we'll answer as we explore the landscape of car insurance in the near future. We'll be your co-pilots as we navigate the twists and turns of national averages, state-by-state variations, and those pesky demographic factors that affect your rates. From the bustling highways of California to the serene roads of Vermont, each state has its own unique set of rules and rates. We'll break it all down for you. We'll also pull back the curtain on the major culprits driving up insurance costs, from coverage levels to credit scores. Ever wondered why your neighbor pays less for the same coverage? We'll explain the factors that insurance companies consider when setting your rates, and how you can use this knowledge to your advantage. And because we're all about staying ahead of the curve, we'll even delve into the trends shaping the future of car insurance in 2025, like those sneaky tariffs and the rise of telematics. Telematics, for instance, is revolutionizing how insurers assess risk by monitoring your driving habits in real time. We'll explore how this technology could lead to more personalized and potentially lower premiums. But don't worry, we're not just here to bombard you with information. We understand that insurance can be overwhelming, so we're committed to making this journey as smooth as possible. We'll provide clear, actionable advice that you can use right away. We're also going to equip you with practical tips and tricks to lower your insurance premiums. From bundling policies to taking advantage of discounts, we'll share strategies that can help you save money without sacrificing coverage. So buckle up and get ready to take control of your car insurance costs with InsureSavvy. National averages, a snapshot of the costs. Let's start with the big picture, folks. In 2025, the average American is shelling out around $1,800 per year for full coverage car insurance. That's like a whole month's rent for some people. But hey, at least you're protected, right? If you're on a tight budget and opting for the bare minimum, liability insurance, you're looking at an average of $600 annually. Now remember, these are just national averages. Your actual costs can vary wildly, depending on a whole bunch of factors, which we'll dive into later. But for now, just know that those national averages are like the starting line of a marathon. You'll probably end up somewhere else entirely by the time you cross the finish line. State-by-state sticker shock. Where you live matters. Hold on tight because things are about to get interesting. When it comes to car insurance, where you lay your hat matters a lot. We're talking about differences in hundreds of dollars per year just based on your zip code. Take Michigan, for instance. They're stuck with the highest average car insurance rates in the nation, with drivers forking over a whopping $3,000 per year for full coverage. Ouch! On the flip side, you've got states like Maine, where drivers enjoy the cheapest rates in the country, averaging around $1,000 per year. That's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. Why such a huge difference? Well, each state has its own unique set of factors that influence insurance costs, like population density, accident rates, and even the number of uninsured drivers. Section 5, Age and Gender, How Demographics Play a Role. Now let's talk about you, specifically your age and gender, because, believe it or not, they play a significant role in how much you'll pay for car insurance. Young drivers, especially teenage boys, are statistically more likely to get into accidents. Insurance companies know this, and they're not afraid to charge accordingly. For example, a 16-year-old male driver could be looking at premiums that are 2 or 3 times higher than those of a 30-year-old female driver with the same driving record. As you gain more experience behind the wheel and build up a solid driving history, your rates will gradually decrease. But until then, buckle up and prepare for those high premiums, youngsters. Section 6. The cost-driving culprits, unmasking the factors. We've covered some of the big picture stuff, but now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the specific factors that insurance companies use to calculate your personal premiums. First up, you've got your coverage levels. The more coverage you have, the higher your premiums will be. Makes sense, right? Then there are deductibles. A higher deductible means you'll pay more out of pocket if you get into an accident, but it will also lower your monthly premiums. Your location also plays a huge role. Living in a big city with heavy traffic and a higher risk of accidents will cost you more than living in a rural area with wide open spaces. And let's not forget about the big one, your driving record. Section 7, 2025 Trends, What the Future Holds for Your Premiums. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of car insurance is changing faster than ever. In 2025, we're seeing some major trends that are shaking things up and impacting your premiums. First, there's the wild card of tariffs. Trade wars and global politics are spilling over into the insurance industry, potentially leading to higher costs for consumers. Then there are the rising costs of claims. With increasingly sophisticated vehicles and expensive medical technology, the cost of repairing damages and treating injuries after accidents is skyrocketing. But perhaps the most significant trend is the rise of telematics and usage-based insurance. This technology allows insurance companies to track your driving habits in real time, using factors like your speed, braking, and mileage to determine your premiums. Section 8. Hacks for your wallet. Tips to lower insurance costs. In today's world, managing your finances can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to insurance costs. But don't worry, we've got some great tips to help you lower those expenses and keep more money in your wallet. Don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. There are actually a bunch of things you can do to fight back against rising insurance costs and keep more money in your pocket. There are actually a bunch of things you can do to fight back against rising insurance costs and keep more money in your pocket. Let's dive into some practical tips that can make a real difference. First and foremost, shop around. It's easy to get comfortable with your current insurance provider, but you might be missing out on better deals elsewhere. Don't just settle for the first quote you get. Take the time to compare rates from multiple insurance providers. You'd be surprised at how much you can save by simply doing a bit of research. Compare rates from multiple insurance providers to find the best deal. Use online comparison tools to make this process easier and more efficient. These tools can help you see a side-by-side comparison of different policies, making it simpler to choose the one that offers the best value for your money. You can also ask about discounts. Many insurance companies offer a variety of discounts that you might not be aware of. Many insurance companies offer discounts for things like being a good student, which can be a great way for young drivers to save on their premiums. Bundling your car insurance with other policies such as home or renter's insurance can also lead to significant savings, or installing safety features in your vehicle. Features like anti-theft devices, airbags, and anti-lock brakes can lower your risk in the eyes of insurers, leading to lower premiums. Another pro tip is to maintain a good credit score. Your credit score is more than just a number. It can significantly impact your insurance rates. Insurance companies often use your credit history as an indicator of your risk level. A higher credit score can lead to lower premiums, so it's worth keeping an eye on your credit report and taking steps to improve it if necessary. And of course, the best way to keep your premiums low is to be a safe and responsible driver. Avoiding accidents and traffic violations not only keeps you safe, but also helps you maintain lower insurance costs. Consider taking a defensive driving course. Many insurance companies offer discounts to drivers who have completed such courses, as it shows that you are committed to safe driving practices. Regularly review your insurance policy. Life changes, and so do your insurance needs. Make sure your policy reflects your current situation and adjust it as necessary to avoid paying for coverage you don't need. Lastly, take advantage of technology. Many insurance companies offer mobile apps that allow you to manage your policy, file claims, and even get quotes on the go. These tools can help you stay on top of your insurance and make informed decisions. By following these tips, you can take control of your insurance costs and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Remember, a little effort can go a long way in saving you money and providing peace of mind. Section 9. Stay savvy, stay informed. So there you have it, folks. We've taken you on a whirlwind tour of car insurance costs in 2025, from national averages to state-by-state variations and everything in between. We've exposed the factors that drive up premiums and armed you with the knowledge to fight back. But the journey doesn't end here. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates on the ever-changing world of car insurance. And don't forget to hit that comment section and let us know your burning questions. We're here to help you navigate the road to affordable car insurance. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to saving money on car insurance, a little bit of savvy goes a long way.